Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like a kind of projector overlay on top of your videos or pictures on CapCut. So add in like any overlay you want as the like screen projector, I guess. So I'm just going to crop the bits and bob out first. Just add it on top of the video. Select confirm and go to blend mode and choose the overlay one. It's going to kind of create this like screen projector thing. It's going to look more realistic if whatever you have is indoors. You can also select the image, go to mask, go to rectangle, and kind of make the like rectangle over here and feather it out, just to give like the more feathered and realistic projector effect, because if the sides are super sharp it won't look exactly like a projector. So this looks more like a projector, and again it will look more realistic if the image or the video is indoors. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!